Aalis na naman ang Gilas Pilipinas. At dahil slot sa Olympics ang kanilang inaasam, marahil tama lang na magsanay sila sa Greece kung saan nagsimula ang Olimpiada.
How are you, Nick?
Coach, it's good to see you again.
Be back in the airport,
Yeah.
on the road.
Sobrang excited kasi training na naman. Yung picture namin dito sa airport nung hinatid nila ako, yung lagi kong titingnan para lagi ko silang hindi masyadong ma-miss kasi talaga nakakalungkot eh.
Naghihintay lang po ng boarding for the 12-hour flight to Istanbul. Tapos doon, 2-hour layover. 2 hours papuntang Greece. Tapos 3.5 hours from Athens papuntang Karpenisi. So isang buong araw magkakasama yung Gilas Pilipinas.
Para-paraan lang para dito kay Davis. Romeo once again. Oh, that was goal! Buta talaga ni Gabe Norris. Puts it on the deck. And he launches another one. Castro, hinanap si Chapel. And a two-handed throw down. Jimmy launches it.
We will fight to the buzzer to win every game that we play.
Right now, Istanbul, we just landed, 12-hour flight. We about to do our thing, get this training on in Greece. So let's do it, baby.
Excited ang lahat na magtrabaho sa training camp. Pero hindi pa man umabot sa Karpenisi, ay nagsimula na ang bonding nila.
Nag-isa tayo.
Ayan mo sa'yo, Bob. Sa'yo ka naman mauhaw ka. Dapat alagang-alaga ka dito, Bob.
Katuman ng katawan, may ngiting sinalubong ng Gilas ang pagsubok na paparating para sa kanila. Pag nakakaramdam na ng pagod, kulitan at biruan ang kanilang solusyon dyan.
Anybody can pronounce it, I'll give you 50 euro.
50 euro challenge.
That works. Wrong. Next.
Jose. Mediterranean chicken.
Wrong.
Mistakey.
Wrong.
Beef teki. Teriyaki. Beef teki.
It's close.
What's close?
Chicken
Roast
marsh
Beef teki.
It's beef. It's beef.
Beef. What? Huh?
Beef teki.
Beef teki.
That's what it is. That's not how you say it.
Oh, it's how you say it. Oh my God.
Lunch by the Sea ang unang naging kain ng Gilas na magkakasama dito sa Greece. Una nilang natikman ang authentic Greek cooking na matagal nang ipinagmamalaki sa kanila ni Coach Tab Baldwin na dati ay nanirahan dito. Pagkatapos nito, sunod nilang binisita ang rebulto ni Leonidas in Thessaloniki bago tuluyang tumulak paakyat sa kabundukan ng Karpenisi.
Training camp, got my man right here. Oh, let me get some of this lemonade over here.
Nakikita mo, nasa
tayo?
tugtog tayo ngayon ng bundok sa Montana.
Sarap mag-training dito?
Oh, Dito kami ito yung hotel namin.
Okay. First time mo nito, Ping? First time? Yun, no?
Pagkatapos ng 12-hour flight mula sa Maynila papuntang Istanbul, isa pang oras na lipad mula sa Istanbul papuntang Athens, Greece, at 4-hour bus ride papunta dito sa kabundukan ng Karpenisi, ang Gilas, Pilipinas. Umabot na dito sa Montana Spa and Hotel kung saan nila gugugulin ang susunod na 9 na araw upang magsanay para sa FIBA Olympic Qualifying Tournament.
I think it's just getting away from not really the city people and stuff, just being away as a team to get that bonding and good training, and especially how we're out here in the facility where there's a court and we can walk to our rooms and we're all together to create that chemistry on and off the court, and just to all those distractions. And right now all we do is just basketball, and train, so we can prepare.
Bonding, tsaka malayo tayo sa mga distractions. Ito ay makapag-focus tayo, talagang naka-lock in tayo kung anong gusto ni Coach Tab. Hopefully ma-instill natin yun sa sarili natin.
Paglabas mo ng hotel, ayun na yung court, ayun na yung gym, ayun na yung mga weights room. Nasubukan na to nung nag-Lithuania kami. First time namin yon nung Lithuania, doon nabuo talaga Doon nagkaroon ng malaking chance talaga yung Gilas.
It's really nice sa ganitong klaseng facility na talagang focus na talaga is basketball. Hindi naman kasi natin magagawa ito sa Pilipinas dahil nga siyempre maraming dapat gawin kasi nandun yung pamilya natin, di ba? Marami tayong pupuntahan. So ito talaga, basketball lang talaga. Maganda to, ganitong klaseng training.
Importante rin sa amin yung mga ganitong bagay talaga like sabi yung mga nito twice a day, ganon. Kumbaga kasi ilan araw lang o ilan buwan lang yung pagsasama namin So kailangan talaga makuha namin yung laro namin sa isa't isa. As player sa yung mga teammate ko dito sa Gilas, magkakaiba kaming personality o ugali o style. So laking bagay yung ganito na pagsasama namin para maging isa yung puso namin. Para pagdating ng tournament, ang iisipin lang namin kung paano kami maglaro as a team para manalo.
Coaches are normally the ones who try to scout where they want to bring the team. And I think the main basis is how the ambience of the place will work for the team. No? And ito, kinaganda nito, you rest, you play in the same place, you don't really move that much as far as yung traveling from one place to the other is concerned. And wala tayong iniisip dito kundi maglaro.
Pagkatapos magpahinga sa unang gabi nila sa Greece, maagang gumising ang koponan upang aralin ang ilang piling plays mula sa tune-up game nila kontra sa Iran. Pagkatapos nito, sumabak na agad sila sa practice.
We'll do our work on shirts, some of the stuff that we just talked about, getting our runouts, getting our legs underneath us. We're not going to go too long this morning, okay? We're starting late. Get a good stretch. We'll go with a little bit more intensity tonight, and then by tomorrow we should be really blowing it out. Okay? This is a setting that we'll certainly put this in the books, and I expect that we'll be back here. And I would encourage any teams going overseas that this is an ideal setting for a summer training camp. No question about it.
Training camp, at iisipin natin na mag-training lang tayo ng training as in 9 days talagang ibibigay mo talaga dito sa training para sa pagdating ng mga tune-up or pagdating natin sa Manila is na napag-aandaan na natin yung dapat natin gawin sa gagawin na game natin sa Manila.
Mas seryosong training ang ginawa ng Gilas kinagabihan nang maipagpag na ang jet lag lumiksi na ang kanilang mga galaw.
Focus on every movement, every action, every angle, every timing. Let's get all that right. Okay, keep working on it so when we come in tonight, we pick up the live stuff that we're not thinking. Okay, let's do the thinking this morning. All right.
Perfection ang hinihingi ni Coach Tab sa kanyang koponan. Sa pamamagitan ng paulit-ulit na drills, gusto niyang maging second nature na ang kanilang mga plays.
This is very important, but I feel like once we get more adjusted and we start going up and down the scrimmage a lot more, it's going to help us a lot more. Definitely with us being up here in the mountains, with thin air, you know, it can help us get in better shape quicker.
Hey, I can spew pearls of wisdom all day long. And if you don't do something with it, that's all it is. Just a bunch of words.
Kahit may mga konting mali pa sa pagpapatakbo ng kanilang sistema, ikinatuwa ng coaches ng Gilas ang effort at energy ng mga manlalaro. Kahit may dala pa rin konting pagod mula sa biyahe, hindi nila ito pinapahalata.
He'll push the guys. He knows how to break up training camps. He'll give them appropriate rest at the right time. But kahit kanina, ganito talaga kaming mga coach. Kung ganong kasipag kayo, if you're working that hard, edi mas maaga tayo matatapos. We achieved a lot more faster by the way they competed. So nakat na natin yung ensayo na siguro mga kalahating oras.
Can't gripe with the energy. Thank you for that. That's you know, when we get that right, we take big steps forward. So good job.
Hindi lang oras sa court ang nagbubuklod sa isang koponan. Importante na gamitin rin nila ang oras na ito upang makilala ang personalidad ng bawat isa.
Yung mga oras na kailangan namin ng ganitong klaseng tira, ganito hahanapin ko. Yung times na kailangan ko ng isang defender, kuya, bigyan mo na isang anong screen tong tao ko, medyo malikot. May mga ganun. Nakikilala mo yung personalidad ng tao eh. Mas lalo na ako sa point guard, kailangan makilala ko sila talaga eh.
One more.
Next group.
You know, the last few practices, even talking to Coach Tab, he says it to us. We're not perfect yet. We're getting there, but our energy is just so good. And that's one thing I don't think sometimes as players we appreciate because we want to be perfect.
Sa pangatlong araw ng training, unti-unti nang nakita ng mga manlalaro ang kanilang pinaghihirapan. Nakakapagod man, alam naman nila na may pinatutunguhan.
Maganda niyang tinatakbo ng team, yung mga plays namin, kabisado na namin. May mga mali kami pero minimize na namin.
Dahil natuwa si Coach Tab sa pinakita ng Gilas, pinigyan niya ng morning off ang kanyang mga manlalaro sa day 4. Ginamit nila ito upang pumasyal sa Carpinisi.
Ano sa bundok?
Wow, good! Sarap niyan, tol. Sobrang tamis niyan. Buli tayo.
Ayan o, chicken. May chicken.
Lagyan natin ng olive oil mamaya.
Tsaka?
Soy sauce. Kung wala silang rosemary.
At ang sikreto nito, kailangan pinabaliktad-baliktad.
Alam ng Gilas na isa ang pool na ito sa pinakamalalim in recent history sa Philippine basketball. Pero alam rin nila na ang purong talento ay walang mararating kundi pagtatrabahuhan.
We have a lot of weapons. You know, we have defensive stoppers, not just Gabe by itself. We have we have size, and we have speed. We have Terrence, who's an amazing scorer with him and Jason. We have a lot of pieces that you have to win. Rebounding. We have shot blockers with Jopet and Jumar. We have we have a complete team, and I think if this is going to be the time, it's going to be it for us now.
Yung talent na yun,
mas marami tayong talented na players. Kailangan mo i-condition yung mind mo na you have to make the most out of it. Sayang itong opportunity na to. Lahat nandito na. May weights room, nandyan yung gym available. Yung pagkain, sobrang sarap, sobrang okay.
Dahil may mga baguhan, trabaho ng mga veterano. Maturuan sila upang bumilis ang paggawa ng chemistry ng koponan.
Of course, everybody naman is treated as an equal. And it's a family setting talaga yung Gilas kasi syempre yung buong bayan yung rin-represent mo eh. So, blessed kami ni Ryan na yun, napili kami sa top 14 and yung pag-welcome naman nila with loving arms naman.
When we got on the team and while we were practicing, it just felt like we were already on the team. Just because we're in different teams doesn't mean off the court we're not friends. But you know, and especially they accept us, me and Ray, you know, they welcomed us.
Nakikinig naman eh. Sa tingin ko malaking bagay na marami na silang matutunan ngayon pa lang kasi sila yung susunod, sila yung future natin.
Bagong ano to, chemistry, kailangan makilala ko pa sila, lalo yung mga young players ng mga future ng basketball.
Dahil alam nilang papatapos na ang paghihirap sa kanilang Greek training camp, nakuha ng magbiruan ng Gilas Pilipinas pagkatapos ng second to the last practice nila. Ang naging target ng prank, ang gentle giant na si Junmar Fajardo.
Tinago ko. Kaya tingnan mo naghahanap, tingnan mo.
Got Calvin is something.
What's up?
What's up? That's stay. Yeah, man. ¿Cuántos? Sino tago? LA.
Secret. Sino mga suspect mo, Junmar? Turo mo.
Uy, ito ba naman kakataluin kita? Parang kuya na nga kita eh.
Look up! Look up! Look up!
Umiinit, umiinit. Umiinit, umiinit. Lumalamig, lumalamig.
Oh, ilaw! Look up!
Umiinit.
Look up eh, lockdown yan.
Oh! Ay, si Helmi. Hindi ko daw may pakana. Hindi mo naman abot eh. Pakita mo. Ilapit ka. Hindi mo abot to. Oh. Hindi abot eh, Helmi. Hindi abot to. Ginagin na nila?
Ganun talaga pag rookie, binubuli.
Pagkatapos ng kanilang huling training, sinurpresa ng ilang Pilipinong naninirahan sa Greece ang pambansang koponan. Hindi nila inalintana ang 8 oras na balikang biyahe. Makadaupang palad lamang ang kanilang mga iniidolo.
We traveled for 4 hours to catch him. Why? Because I will support our team Gilas Pilipinas. Because that's our nations. That's our team that raise our banner all over the world. So, suporta kami sa Gilas Pilipinas. Puso!
Sa pagtatapos ng kanilang 9 na araw na pamamalagi sa Karpenisi, mataas ang kumpiyansa ng Gilas dahil marami na silang napatunayan sa kanilang mga sarili. Ngayon, panahon na para subukan ang kanilang pinaghirapan laban sa ibang koponan.
stay namin dito, sa tingin ko naging productive eh. Sa tingin ko na-maximize naman namin yung oras namin dito, tapos sa tingin ko nagawa naman namin yung gusto namin gawin, na matuto, magkamali at matuto ulit. At the same time, grabe yung pagod na ginawa namin dito. Sa tingin ko marami kami nakuha at saka na-achieve.
Nakakapagod pero blessing talaga na kasama sa grupo to. Sobrang babait ng mga kuya ko, yung talented ng grupo to.
Masaya kasi ginawa namin lahat ng kaya namin, ginawa namin lahat ng preparation. So, ayun, sana maganda yung kalabasan.
Let's have a great prayer thanking the Lord that we come out of this thing healthy, and we have nothing worse than a couple of sore chilies and a couple of colds. Because I'll tell you what, you guys left some sweat in Carpanese. Proud of you guys for that.
Best part of the camp was the effort of the players. It was beyond good. It was exemplary. You know, if we could have filmed every second of this camp and show that to other teams going into camp, I think we could demonstrate what effort is all about. And it was day after day, 13 practices in 8 days, video sessions, meetings. It's a good camp. You know, we're happy. Coaches are very happy.
¡Vamos, Pilipinas!
Mga kapatid, may panibagong hamon na naman tayo. Handa na ba kayong lumaban para sa bayan?
Ako si Rani Del De Ocampo, taga-Hulugantan sa Cavite, lumalaban para sa Pilipinas.
I'm Gabe Norwood from Pennsylvania, lalaban para sa bayan.
Ako si Jeff Chan, taga-Bacolod, lalaban para sa bayan.
Ako si L.A. Tenorio, taga-Nasugbu, Batangas, lalaban para sa bayan.
Yako'y Calvin Abeba, Tubong Angeles City, lalaban para kay bayan.
Ako si Junmar Fajardo, taga-Pinamungahan, Mudua para sa Pilipinas.
Yako'y Japet Aguilar, taga-Sasmuan, Pampanga, lalaban ko para kay Pilipinas.
I'm Andre Blatch from Syracuse, New York, and I fight for this country.
Yako'y Jason Castro, taga-Guagua, Pampanga, lalaban para kay Pilipinas.
Ako si Troy Rosario, taga-Cagayan Valley, lalaban para sa bayan.
Ako si Ryan Reyes, taga Santo Tomas, Batangas, lalaban para sa bayan.
Ako si Terence Romeo, taga-Imus, Cavite, lalaban para sa bayan.
Ako si Bobby Ray Parks Jr., taga-Parañaque City, lalaban para sa bayan.
¡Viva la Pilipinas! ¡Uno!